Hello and welcome back to another Gubba video from the Gubba farm. I'm Gubba and welcome to my farm. Today we are going to be taking care of this. So I moved in, I have a beautiful garden. I have four raised garden beds, fruit trees, a little greenhouse. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. So that's just a white bin and they have lids. I was thinking about using it as my compost, where you throw in like some food scraps. You can throw in just like biodegradable stuff, I believe cardboard, egg cartons, and then the worms eat it and it becomes just like a gold soil, and you want to use it in your garden, and so you do it throughout the winter and you can use it in your garden the following spring. Beautiful. And right now is fall, all the leaves are falling. I gotta prep the garden beds for next year because I'm just gonna go for it. And I am the type of person who just won't ever do anything until it's absolutely perfect, and I realize that I never get anything done because nothing's going to be perfect. Also, while we're here, make sure to subscribe so you can come along with me on my farm adventures. I'm a first-time homesteader. I'm really excited, so you're gonna be learning with me and you're gonna be coming along on these adventures with me. So this is my first project. I'm gonna take everything out because I want it to be my own, even though there's probably some really great things in there. They probably grew, I think this might have been like their herb box. Potentially. So I'm gonna give you guys a close-up so you guys can see, and maybe you guys will be like, oh, that was really good, or that's what that is, and it'll be too late because it's all gonna be gone. Here is an up-close look of the garden. I genuinely don't know what all of it is. I'm kind of guessing a lot of it was weeds. That's gonna be a beast to get out. There is a lot of growth that I just got to get out, and it's covered in wood chips, and I read that wood chips help keep the soil from eroding, but I'm going to be covering it with leaves that have fallen from my big tree, because leaves are really good to prep a garden bed because they get the natural decomposition and helps with nutrients and stuff. And these are the tools I'm working with today. And I don't know if I'll be able to get to it all today, but I guess we can try, right? My tools aren't the best. This is literally what I scraped up from my garage, and I found 2 hand shovels, and I don't know the name of this, but I know this is like to get up the weeds, which is something I'm gonna need. And I'm also gonna need to upgrade all of my garden tools and supplies, because if I'm gonna be out here farming and homesteading, I'm assuming I'm probably gonna need more than this, but I gotta do some more research to figure out what I need. I don't even know if I'm gonna get to all this today, but we're gonna try. Okay, I'm just gonna start pulling the weeds, pulling what I can. Oh man, I'm just gonna be throwing it off to the side. I'm a first-time homesteader, but my grandparents, my great-grandparents homesteaded, so it's kind of cool to be carrying on a family tradition. I just love that. I love the family ties. All right, let's get started on this garden. It looks really scary. So I'm just gonna start down here. Yeah, that's not gonna do anything. Oh man. This is just one weed. Oh my gosh. Probably shouldn't be throwing all the weeds over here. Oh my gosh. These have serious pricklies on them, and they're huge. How do weeds get this big? I can't even touch this because it goes through my glove. Look at this beast of a weed. It's huge. It's like the biggest thing in the garden. And if you see the pricklies, ow. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go get the shovel. Oh no. Ow. Okay, can't do that. I think I got him. Maybe I need better gloves that pricklies don't go through, because these gardening gloves, they go right through and it freaking hurts. So this one is the beast. Look at how thick it is. So we have one little section cleared. Kind of. And I think these are the worst weeds in the whole box, so. It doesn't look like much, but just in that little bit of time we could clear out this little section. Just seeing this makes me really, really happy, but we still have all of this. But it's about progress, right? There has to be an easier way to do this. We have another huge weed. I have to dig that up, but we got this whole little area and this makes me feel so accomplished. Even though it's still so small compared to everything else, but that's okay. This is gonna be a huge project. That wasn't as deep as I thought. I'm trying to get everything by the root because I don't want stuff to come back, but I know that's not completely possible because there's so much stuff. So just literally try my best, but look at that. This is a little tiring. Look at that spider. I really hate spiders. I'm gonna pick this up in a little bit once the sun is less harsh so then I can record and it doesn't look so bad. All right. We're back, so we're just gonna go for it. You ready? And this is what we have left. Look how long this is. I went and got some tea because my throat has been super irritated, and it got me thinking how I would love to have this be just an herbal garden in this bed because I love herbs and all that they do for us. And this is an herbal tea that I'm drinking right now and it makes my throat feel so much better. It'd be so cool to just grow my own herbs, grow my own medicine. The soil is alive with worms. There's so many worms in this soil, and worms means good because we love the worm poop because compost. I'm being more careful as I go through because I don't want to hurt any worms. I'm gonna be taking a bit of a break, then I'll probably be back at it tomorrow morning, so see you guys tomorrow. All right, we're back finishing this. We're like almost there. The one thing I was wondering if all the stuff that I'm taking out of this, like if I can just throw it into a compost pile, or maybe I'll just let it like chill around here because I don't know if it really matters. You can let me know in the comments. Okay. This is an interesting weed root. I don't know. Didn't know weeds make roots like that. Well, it's finished. We did it. We cleaned out the whole huge garden bed. In the next video, it's gonna be me preparing the soil for next spring. And oh my gosh, I'm so tired. And I'm also not feeling the best. So this is my workout instead of going to the gym, because I don't go to the gym anymore. Wow, so thank you for coming along with me. I can't believe we freaking cleared this thing. Wow, my first homestead project is done. Woohoo! Thank you so much for watching. If you have any ideas of what to do with the waste, you can let me know in the comments. You can let me know what you think of the adventure that we went on for the past little bit. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Goodbye!